do you remember your subtraction rule?
No.
No, look here then. Look over here. So subtraction rule that we take away smaller number from the greater number and the answer would be smaller. So G take away S is equal to S. So greater take away smaller is equal to S. And what is our addition rule? When we add two small numbers, we always get the greater number. So now this is the greater number. So what is the number ending with 0 before 35? What is the number?
Ending with 35.
No, ending with 0 before 35.
40.
No, 40 is after 35. We will not take 40. Because 35 is the greater number. That is the rule of our subtraction sentence. We got greater number, take away smaller number, and the answer is always smaller. So what is the number ending with 0 before 35? 30. So Nimar will write down 30 here. Write 30 here. Yeah, okay. Write 30. Okay, so now we will look at your 30. Okay, so now we make this triangle here, and like this we will draw the line here, and we will draw the line here. So so basically, no matter, look mommy, what I want to say that between 8 and 35 we have the numbers ending with zeros are 10, we got 20, and we got 30. So we will choose 30. Okay, so now tell mommy, what number will you add in 30 to get to 35? 5. Okay, now we will solve this side. So we got 30 here, we got 8 here. And if you look at the addition rule, we got smaller, add smaller, and then we get the greater number. So we got 8 smaller and 30 is the greater number. If you look at the unit numbers, so we got 8 greater and 0 smaller, which is against the addition rule. So now so we will start solving it, but before that, this is the answer is in a 2-digit number. The answer is 2-digit number, so we will add the 0 here and we will make it 2-digit number. Now the gap between 0 and 8 is 8. Okay, or you can think like that. What is the complement of 8? What is the complement of 8? 2. So 2 at 0 is equal to, man will write 2 here. Okay, and now you know that what is the number ending with 0 after 8? 10. Or you can think like that. 8 add 2 makes 10. So we got 1 carrying here. So 1 add 0, 1. 1 add what makes 3?
1 and 1 makes 3.
1 add, what number will you add in 1 to get the answer 3? 2. So Namar will write 2 here. So you just, what you need to do, you just need to add 5. You just need to add these two numbers and you will get the answer of 35 take away 8. 27. Good boy. Now next 93 take away 7. So what is the number ending with 0 before 93?
90.
Write 90 please. Okay, so now we just draw these lines to make a triangle. So 90 add what makes 93? 3. Good boy. Now we solve this side. So 7 is greater, 0 is smaller. So what is the next number ending with 0 after 7? What is the number ending with 0 after 7? Huh? 10. So 1 is the carrying. Okay. And now tell mommy, what is the complement of 7? 3 at 0 makes 3. Okay. Now we got, and now look at the tens digit now. So we got 1 at 0, 1. And we got 9 answer here. So 1 at what makes 9?
1 and 1 makes 9.
1 at what? Yeah, 8. So now I will write 8 here. Okay, so what we got, look here, 7 add 3 makes 10, 1 carrying, 1 add 8 makes 9. Now Namar will add 3 add 87.
3 add 87.
No, Namar, you did a mistake.
What do you mean?
Sorry, I'm saying 3 add 87. It's 3 add 83. You write such a big, I just get confused. I'm mixing the number. So 3 add 83. What's the answer?
86.
86 is your answer. So it's mean 93 take away 7 is equal to
86.
86. So what we are doing, we are changing this subtraction sentence into addition sentence, and we are finding the answer fast. Okay, good boy. Now next 26 take away 9. So what is the number ending with 0 before 26?
Ending with 26.
Before 26.
20.
20.
If it's 6 here, so that if it's 6 comes after, and then it makes 7.
क्या 7 बेटा?
If there's 10 times 10 makes 100, so that means it's pretty easy and times table.
We are taking the numbers ending with 0, then it will make our calculation easy. Okay, now tell mommy what number you will add in 20 to get to 26.
6.
That's easy. Okay, now this side left, we got 20 and we got 9 here. We will follow our addition rule. So this unit number, we got 0 tens here and 0 unit here. So what number ending with 0 after 9?
10.
10. So we got 1 carrying there. And what is the complement of 9?
1.
1. So 1 add 0 makes?
1.
1. Okay, now we solve the 10. So we got 2 here and we got 1 here. 1 add 0, 1. So 1 add what makes 2? What number you will add in 1 to get answer 2?
1.
1. So Namar will write 1. So it's mean 9 add 11 makes 20. So now we got this number and we got this number. We will add these up. So 6 add 11 is equal to?
6 add 11
Is equal to?
is equal to...
That's easy, Nomad. 11 add 6 what?
11 add 6 makes 20. No, it's not.
6 add 1
7.
and 1 add 0.
1.
So 11 add 6 is equal to?
17.
17. You need to wake up. Okay, good boy. So look, it's so easy to find the answer fast.
That one is easy.
That one is easy.
So
45 take away 5.
40.
So okay, yeah, okay, good boy. So let me help you for that. So the number ending with 45, the number ending with 0 before 45 is 40. So we got 5 here and we've solved this one here. So we got unit here and unit here. So according to addition rule, this is opposite the addition rule. So 5, what is the complement of 5, which is
Again
5, and 0 at 5 makes 5. Okay, Namar? So we got 0 here. So what is the number ending with 0 after 5, which is 10? So we got 1 carrying. So 1 add 3 makes 4. So 35 at 5 makes?
35 at 5 makes
40. So it's the same answer. So 45 take away 5 is 40. 35 at 5 makes 40. Good boy.
If there is 5 with 5 dots, we count them, then makes 10. If there's 5 dots, we count them, then they make 10.
Okay, beta. Okay, next 83 take away 5. So what is the number ending with 0 before 83?
80.
80. Write 80, please. Okay, so what number you will add in 80 to get answer 83? 3. Good boy. Now we have to solve this side. So now we got again this
10.
is mismatch column. So the complement of 5 is 5 and 5 add 0 makes 5. And you know that the number ending with 0 after 5 is? The number ending with 0 after 5 is? 10. So it's mean we got 1 carrying. So 1 add 0, 1. 1 add what makes 7? 1 add what makes 7? Oh, sorry. 1 add what makes 8?
7.
Yeah, so 1 add is, 7, right? 7. So now 75 add 3. Namar will
78.
78 is your answer. So Namar, beta, our next question is 89 take away 63.
Why did you write these?
That you have written that. Okay. So Namar, listen, mommy. So now tell mommy what is the number ending with 0 before 89?
80.
80, right? 80, please.
If it's after, it's 90.
We will not take 90 because the greater number is 89. So we can't take 90. Okay. We can take 70. or 80, but if we choose 80, that would be the easiest one. So what number you will add in 80 to get 89, to get to 89? Come on, write fast. We got 9 there. Now we got 80 and 63, so we will use our addition rule here. So we got 3 here, which is greater, and 0 is smaller. So what is the number ending with 0 after 3? 10. So it's mean we got 1 carrying here. So so gap between 0 and 3 is 7. Sorry, the gap between 0 and 3 is 3, and the complement of 3 is 7. So Namer will write 7 here. Okay, move Namer. Okay, so 7 here. Oh, now look here, we got 6 add 1. 7 add what makes 8? 1. So what number? Right now, what are you waiting for?
I thought I should write the other number.
Okay, so Namer beta, no. Namer beta, think carefully. So 6 add 1. 6 add 1, 7. 7 add 1 makes 8. So it's 17. So now Namer will add 9 add 17. So 9 add 17 what?
9 add 17.
So 7 is the unit number, 9 is the unit number. So 7 add 9 makes? 9 got 1 dot. So 7 add 9 makes? 16. 16 add 1, 10?
26.
26 is your answer. Okay,
65
now
take away 46.
65 take away 46. Okay, so what is the number ending with 0 before 65?
60.
60. Okay, so now tell mommy, 60 add what makes a 65? You should do like this, not a straight line. Even you can't draw the lines. Okay, so write 5 here. 60 add 5. 60 add 5.
60 add 5, 5.
65. 60 add 5 makes 65. Write 5 here. Why are you not waking up? I can't understand. I keep helping you a lot, but you still slow. Okay, so now 60, we got 60 here and we got 46 here. So look, this is our mismatch column. We got 6 here, we got 0 here. What is the next number ending with 0 after 6?
40. No, 10.
10. So we got 1 carrying here. Okay, so what is the complement of 6?
4.
4 add 0?
4.
4. Write 4 here.
Just like this.
Okay, fine. Okay, so 4 add 1, 5. 5, what number you will add in 5 to get answer 6? Write number here. 1. So write here.
So that makes
14. So now 5 add 14 makes?
14.
Yeah? So 14 add 5 what? What's the answer?
5 add 4, 9. So
Yeah?
19.
19. So 19 is your answer. Just write an answer. 65 take away 46 is equal to 19.
Or I could have just used the complement.
Okay, next bit is 70 take away 23. So now tell mommy, it's 70 here. It's not 71 here. So what you want to do? Do you want to use 70 here or do you want to use 60 here? Look here, you
I
got,
want 60.
if okay, listen mommy, you got the you need to find out the numbers ending with 0 between 70 and 23.
Can I do
So
60?
wait beta, let me explain first. So what you can use either 30, 40,
Oh, that makes
50, you can use 60,
that makes 53.
and you can use 70. Okay, so you can use any number, but it's better to use the number close to 70. So what do you want to use, 70 or 60?
60. Hey mommy.
Okay, write 60 first. Come on quickly.
It makes 3.
I know. Come on, write mera beta 60. 60. So now we make a triangle. So 60 add what makes 70?
10.
10. Write 10 please. Okay, now look here. We got 3 here, we got 0 here. Okay, so it's the mismatch column. What is the number ending with 0 after 3?
10.
10. So we got 1 carrying here. So what is the complement of 3? What is the complement of 3? 7. So 7 add 0 makes 7. Write 7 please. Okay, now we got 2 add 1, 3. 3 add what number makes 6?
What number makes
3 add What number will you add in 3 to get answer 6?
Mm, mm, 3.
Yeah, 3. Okay, so now what we got? We got 10 and we got 37. So 10 add 37. 37 add 110.
47.
47 is your answer. You were saying answer wrong before. Okay, so 47. Okay, now Numer beta, next we got 59 and we got 37. So what is the number ending with 0 before 59? We will not take 60. 60 is greater than 59.
Then do 50.
Do 50 here. So write 50 there.
50 and
Yeah,
10.
okay, so now make a triangle. Too fast, mera beta.
No,
Write fast. I
no.
hate when you write slow. Okay, so 50 add what makes 59?
9.
Good boy. And now we solve the other side. We got 7 here and we got 0 here. So what is, it's the mismatch column. So what is the number ending with 0 after 7?
10.
10. So it's mean we got 1 carrying here. So what is the complement of 7?
3.
3 at 0 what?
3.
3. Okay, now we got 3 add 1, 4. 4 add what makes 5?
4 add what makes 5?
Hmm?
1.
1. So what's the answer? 3, 3, 13 at 9, 13 at 9?
22.
Good boy. So 22 is your answer. Try 22 here. That's it. Good boy. Thank you so much.